Good day, everyone. If you're here at this video, it's probably because you've been asked to set up a Gmail account, because a Gmail account will give you access to all the Google programs and features that they have online for us to use. So if you don't already have a Gmail account, or if you do, I recommend setting up a fresh, clean one just to use for this course. That way you're not messing up your own personal account. So here's where you go. You go to accounts.google.com. Now, if you've already signed in on your computer with a Google account previously, it's going to probably bring you here, right, to say to log in, or it may show you a list of the Google accounts you already have set up on that computer. What we want to do is just scroll down and go to Create Account. Okay, so for our fresh account here, it'll take you here. If it doesn't take you directly to this page, there may be a page in between that says, are you sure you don't want to use one of your previous accounts? And you say, no, I want to create a new account. When you create your new Google account, what you want to do is basically just pick your name, your username, password, etc., etc. What I recommend for students is you don't necessarily have to give them your real name, and you don't necessarily have to give them your real birthday or your gender or your mobile phone. But make sure to write down whatever fake information you do happen to post there so you can log in again. The most important one here is going to be your username, right? Because that's the one you log in with, and that's the one we sort of see in a lot of your like Google Drive and your blogs and your web pages. So make sure to take a name that's high school appropriate there, that's easy for you to type in and remember. That's really it. Once you're set, you're pretty well good to go with your Gmail account. Just hit next up and follow the next instruction or two, and you should be off and going. Once you get that set up, check out the next video. We're going to show you how to sign up for some of the other apps that Google offers us online.